Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Ads audience lists are building correctly, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Ads audience lists are building correctly, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu located in the upper right corner. Under Shared Library, select Audience Manager. Once in the Audience Manager, locate the audience list you want to verify. Check the status column for each audience list. You should see indicators such as building, available, or not enough users. For a deeper dive, click on the name of the audience list. This will open the details page, providing insights about the list's composition and size. Review the size section to ensure the audience is building properly. Compare the current size with your expected target. Look for any recent changes to your campaigns that might affect audience growth. If the list is static, double-check that your tracking codes are correctly implemented. You may need to verify that audiences are being targeted in your campaigns. Monitor for at least 24 to 48 hours after making changes to see if the audience begins to grow. Ensure any new segments or filters within the audience list are set up correctly. Consider checking your website traffic, as audience lists often depend on this data. If adjustments are necessary, make them in your source settings or tracking tags. Keep an eye on the performance metrics of campaigns linked to the audience lists. Regularly revisit the Audience Manager to stay updated on their status. This process will help ensure your audience lists are building effectively and ready for optimal targeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.